Hey everyone, it's Ben with Conk & Can Do, and again, we're chatting DAZN. Doing a little follow-up video, had some questions about DAZN.
Gioho asks, can you change rapidly between games? Well, definitely not as rapidly as you can on TV. It takes the time to click out of the game, select the next game, and get it loaded up on your system. Ken Pierce asked about condensed games. Yes, on DAZN you can get your games in condensed form and full length, just like in Game Pass.
Brad F wants to know how to get DAZN on his smart TV. Well, Brad,
we're going to show you how to get it on all your devices so you're ready for all the sports all season long. Step 1. Head to the DAZN website. Step 2. Select the contract you want to sign on for. Monthly for $20 or $150 for the annual fee. Step 3. Fill in all the fields, give them your credit card, sign your life away, and you're good to go. Disclaimer, you don't actually have to sign your life away. What's next? You have to download the app to all your devices. Now you just have to plug in your username, your password, and it is good to go for all your apps and your NFL watching season. One thing to note, if you have Apple TV, the only Apple TV you're going to be able to download this app to is the 4th generation Apple TV. Hey, thank you so much for watching Conk & Can Do. I'm Ben. If you have any questions, comments, anything, fire it below. Please subscribe, check us out. And if you want to see some more info on DAZN, you let me know and we'll put it out there for you.